Let's dive straight into optimizing the display on your Sony A7 IV. First, press the menu button to access the extensive settings. We'll be focusing on the Playback tab, which houses crucial display options. Navigate to display settings. The most fundamental adjustment is brightness. Tap on brightness and you'll see a slider for bright outdoor shooting. You'll want to increase this significantly in low light. You can dial it back to avoid overexposure in your review experiment to find what works best for your shooting environment. Next, let's look at screen setting here. You can choose whether information is displayed on the LCD only, in the viewfinder only, or if the camera automatically switches between them. For our focus on the monitor, ensure is set to display information on the LCD. Crucially, ensure exposure simulation is turned on. This vital setting means what you see on the screen is a direct representation of your final exposure, helping you nail your shots in camera. For composition, we have grid lines. Access grid line and select your preferred option, such as rule of thirds. This is invaluable for balanced framing and helping you place subjects effectively. To accurately assess your exposure and dynamic range, enable the histogram. Go back to screen setting and look for display continuous shoot info or similar, and ensure histogram is checked. This visual tool is your best friend for avoiding blown out highlights or crushed shadows. Finally, don't forget the articulating nature of the A7 IV screen. Flip it out and tilt it for comfortable viewing and precise composition, whether you're shooting at a high or low angle. By mastering these display settings, you'll gain more confidence in your shots, improve your compositional accuracy, and ultimately produce higher quality images more efficiently. Happy shooting!